Hello and welcome everyone. So last video to আমি citizenship chapter to শেষ কৰিছিলো. So this video will be based on a mock test from our previous chapter, that is citizenship. So there will be 20 questions, each carrying 2 marks, and there will be penalty of 0.5 marks for each wrong answer, and all the questions will be based on our previous video. So before going through the questions, I request you to go through the previous video, and at last please mention your score in the comment section. So let's see. So the first question is, when the citizenship of a person in India cannot be terminated. Options are: at the time of emergency in a country or state, at the time of war, at the time of election, or none of the above. So the correct option will be at the time of war. Then we have, when a person lost his citizenship in India. Options are: when he acquires foreign citizenship, when he renounces the citizenship, and when the government deprives citizenship for some reason, and at last all of the above. So these are all correct, so the correct option will be all of the above. Moving to next. In the Constitution of India, Article 5 to 11 deals with Union and its territory, citizenship, fundamental duties, or fundamental rights. So the correct option will be citizenship. So part 2 of the Constitution of India from Article 5 to 11 deals with citizenship matters. Then we have, to become a citizen of India, which of the following is not a necessary condition? Birth in India, descent, having property in India, or naturalization. So having a property in India is not a criteria for becoming a citizen of India. Then, which of the following parts of Indian Constitution deals with citizenship? Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, or Part 4? So we have already discussed it. So the correct option will be Part 2. Then, through naturalization process to become a citizen of India, one must satisfy the condition: one must reside in India, his or her character should be good, renounces his or her citizenship of other country, or all of the above. So the all of the above condition must be satisfied. So correct option will be D. Then we have, which of the following statement regarding citizenship is correct? So citizen of India must have full civil and political rights. Citizen have the right to suffrage for election in every state. Citizen have right to become a member of parliament, or all of the above. So the correct option will be all of the above. Then we have, which of the following is a voluntary act by which a person, after acquiring a citizenship of another country, gives up his Indian citizenship? So the options are deprivation, renunciation, termination, or none of the above. So renunciation is the voluntary act by which a person gives up his Indian citizenship. Then we have, if a person wants to acquire a citizenship of India through naturalization, he must fulfill the conditions: he is of good character, renounces his citizenship of other country, or after naturalization he intends to reside in India, or all of the above. So all of the above is the correct option. Then we have, who shall notify the person of a territory if the territory becomes part of India? Government of India, government of that territory, government of neighboring country, or none of the above. So the correct option will be government of India. For example, we can take Pondicherry. When Pondicherry become part of India, government of India notified who can be a citizen of India. Then, which of the following rights and privileges are conferred on citizens but not the friendly aliens? Article 15, Article 22, Article 29. Options are 1(3), 1(2), 2(3), or all of the above. So we know that Article 15 and 29 is exclusively for Indian citizens. Then we have, to acquire citizenship by registration, person must have been resident in India for how many years immediately before making an applications? Options are 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, or 5 years. So the correct option will be 5 years. Then we have which articles are correctly matched with their provisions. Article 7, persons migrated to Pakistan but later returned to India. Article 6, person migrated from Pakistan. Article 9, persons of Indian origin residing outside India. So the options are 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 or all of the above. So the correct option will be 1 and 2. Then we have which of the following is competent to prescribe conditions as for acquiring citizenship of India. Options are Parliament, State Legislature, President or Home Minister of India. So the correct option will be Parliament. Then we have which among the following articles deal with the rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India. Article 6, Article 7, Article 8 or Article 9. So the correct option will be Article 9. Then we have who can acquire the citizen of India by naturalization. NRI, foreigners, overseas Indians or all of the above. So the correct option will be only foreigners. Then we have who is the chairman of the Committee on Indian Diaspora? L.M. Singhvi, Ashok Mehta, Balwant Rai or D.K. Third. So L.M. Singhvi is the correct answer. It was formed in the year 2000. Then we have in which year Parliament passed the Citizenship Act. So 1950, 1955, 1960 or 1965. So the Citizenship Act was passed in 1955 and it is amended several times. Then we have according to the Indian Citizenship Act of 1955, which of the following is not a method of acquiring Indian citizenship? Children of the diplomatic personnel or alien enemies born in India on and after 26th of January 1950. Children born of Indian citizens abroad. Incorporation of territory not forming part of India at the commencement of the Constitution or naturalization. So, children of diplomatic personnel or enemy alien can never become the citizen of India. So, the correct option will be A. Then we have at last, no person shall be citizen of India if he has lived in a foreign country for more than 5 years, been convicted by a foreign court of law, voluntarily acquired citizenship of another country, or accepted employment in another country. So, the correct option will be B. Who has voluntarily acquired citizenship of another country can never be a citizen of India. So at this we come to the end of this video. So if you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you.